Here is the device to detect the AC voltage, which is connected with a mobile USB port. Let's get started to make it. We are using the IC CD4017 for this project. Connect the pins 3, 8 and 15 to the ground. Connect the 200 ohm resistor to pin number 11 of the IC and positive pin of the LED. Connect the negative pin of the LED to the ground. Now take a 22 gauge copper wire, which is about 40 cm in length. Remove the insulation part of the copper wire. Bend the other end to a spiral shape. Now connect the copper wire to 14th pin of the IC. Now take the OTG cable and remove the female USB port. Connect the black wire to the ground and red wire to the 16th pin of the IC. Enclose the circuit in a box. Connect the circuit to the mobile. Fix it on the backside of the mobile with the help of a glue gun. Make sure that the copper wire should not touch the mobile surface. Now you can see here, when the AC voltage is passing through a wire, the LED light will blink. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss an update. Do share, like and comment.